Now next topic is when payment is made by issue of a check. Whenever you make payment through check, for example, I have taken paid rupees 10,000 to our supplier Mr. X through check. So in this transaction, two accounts are involved, Mr. X, that is our supplier, and check, that is bank. So Mr. X is a personal account, Mr. X is a personal account, and he is the receiver of check or payment from us, so he should be debited. Check, that is bank. When I say in the transaction check or bank draft, means bank is involved. So bank is a giver, personal account, and it's a giver, so it should be credited, and the journal entry will be Mr. X debit to bank account, being payment made through check. Now next is 10th point, that is when expenses are paid by issue of check or draft. Whenever you make payment through check, any expenses you are not only payment, the above one you have made payment to some person. Right now you are making payment for some expenses, that can be anything, salary, fees, electricity charges, or anything. So that case, I have given you example, salary paid through check rupees 5,000. So two accounts are involved, salary and check, that is bank is involved. So salary is a nature of the salary account is nominal account. It is because it is paid, so it is a expense for the business, so it should be debited. And bank is personal account, it is a giver, so it should be credited. So journal entry will be salary account debited to bank rupees 5,000, being salary paid through check. This will be the journal entry. Now next is when cash withdrawn from the bank by owner for personal use. Suppose cash withdrawn by the owner. I have given you example, LIC premium of owner paid through check. This is one transaction, or this can be said in this way, cash withdrawn from the bank to pay LIC premium. Both the transaction, the language is different. One is we make payment of LIC premium, which is the personal expenses of the owner through check. And second, we are withdrawing cash first from the bank, and we paid the LIC premium. In both the cases, if you analyze, two accounts are involved, as we have discussed in our class in the beginning about the drawings. LIC premium is a personal expenses of the owner, so it is drawing. Either it is paid through check or withdrawn cash from the bank and then paid. In both the cases, two accounts are involved, drawings and bank. Drawings represent the owner. Owner is a personal account, so he is right now receiving aspect. So drawings, he is the receiver, so it should be debited. Drawing is representing owner. Drawing is representing owner. Whenever owner withdraws anything, he is represented by drawings. And the bank accounts, personal account, it is a giver, so it should be credited, and the journal entry will be drawing account debited to bank. I hope it would be clear. So narration could be, if the first transaction we will take that LIC premium paid through check, then the narration will be being LIC premium paid through check. And if we take second option, cash withdrawn from the bank and paid to pay the LIC premium of the owner, so the narration will be being cash withdrawn from the bank to LIC premium. But both the cases, the journal entry will be same, drawings account debited to bank. Now the next is paid into bank for opening a current account. This is a transaction, paid into bank for opening a current account. So we are paid into bank means we are depositing cash into the bank for opening a current account. Business houses generally opens current account. So Two accounts are involved, cash and bank. So cash is going out, so it should be credited, and bank is the receiver, so it should be debited. The journal entry will be bank account debited to cash account, being cash deposited into the bank. So that's all for the day. I have given you two questions. These are the two questions. Please solve it in your class notes and also note down whatever I have discussed today. Thank you and have a nice day.